Your question is, which of the following is not true? Your options are A. The president or governor is immune from legal action for official acts. B. No court can compel a governor to perform any duty. C. A 2 months notice in writing must be delivered to a governor for bringing civil proceedings in respect of their personal acts. Or D. Courts are empowered to inquire the advice tendered by the ministers to the president or governor. Right answer is D. Courts are empowered to inquire the advice tendered by the ministers to the president or governor. Your question is, Prime Minister of India is. Your options are A. Elected, B. Selected, C. Nominated, D. Appointed, or E. None of these. Right answer is D. Appointed. Your question is, the Prime Minister of India is the head of the. Your options are A. State government, B. Central government, C. Both state and central governments, or D. None of them. Right answer is B. Central government. Your question is, Article 78 of the Constitution of India lays down the duties of the. Your options are A. Speaker of Lok Sabha, B. Chairman of Rajya Sabha, C. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, or D. Prime Minister. Right answer is D. Prime Minister. Your question is, with reference to Prime Minister's office PMO, which one of the statements is or are correct? 1. It came into existence in 1977. 2. It is headed by the Cabinet Secretary. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Quotes. Your options are A. Only 2, B. Both 1 and 2, C. Only 1, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is C. Only 1. It came into existence in 1977. Your question is, cabinet means. Your options are A. All ministers in the government, B. Ministers with cabinet rank, C. Cabinet ministers and their secretaries, or D. Ministers of state. Right answer is B. Ministers with cabinet rank. Your question is, cabinet includes. Your options are A. Ministers with cabinet rank, B. Minister of state level, C. Cabinet minister and state minister, D. Cabinet minister, Minister of state with independent charge and Minister of state. Right answer is A. Ministers with cabinet rank. Your question is, who exercises the actual or executive power under the parliamentary form of government? Your options are A. Parliament, B. Prime Minister, C. President, or D. Bureaucracy. Right answer is B. Prime Minister. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. The President shall make rules for more convenient transaction of the business of the Government of India and for the allocation among ministers of the said business. 2. All executive actions of the Government of India shall be expressed to be taken in the name of the Prime Minister. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is A. 1 only. The President shall make rules for more convenient transaction of the business of the Government of India and for the allocation among ministers of the state said business. Your question is, if the Prime Minister of India belongs to the upper house of Parliament, your options are A. He will not be liable to vote in his favour in the event of a no confidence motion. B. He will not be able to speak on the budget in the lower house. C. He can make statements only in the upper house. Or D. He will have to become a member of the lower house within 6 months after being sworn in as the Prime Minister. Right answer is A. He will not be able to vote in his favour in the event of a no confidence motion.